Huawei apparently patented its very own triple flip camera phone, the triple flip. I just like the way that sounds. I'll take a triple flip. I want a triple flip milkshake.
Flip.
And I don't know why they had to flip the milkshake triple, but I feel like I want a
There's
triple
more
flip.
effort that
Yeah,
way.
I want a triple flip.
Yeah.
Triple flip. It's thicker. There's more thought. It's some sort of proprietary process.
Add more air into it, you know.
So this one is a camera that flips from the back. It's not the first time it's been done. It's important to note. It does look pretty crazy when you look at it. You look at the front of the device, you got no notch, no nothing, because your main camera flips around with triple lens setup, and now you got your good camera on the front or the back, and you skip the notch. Of course, for face unlock, this is a bit of a whole ordeal. If you recall from the Zenfone 6, I believe we looked at, you got to wait for the motor to go up. It's fast, but it's a thing that takes place. So this looks like Huawei's version of that particular phone, although their camera module is actually, it looks a little wider to accommodate the triple camera setup. At the moment, this is strictly a patent, in case you didn't know. But it is kind of an emerging thing, particularly amongst non-cutting-edge flagships, because there was a Samsung device in the A series that had something like this as well. So it's kind of a niche thing, whoever might be into this. Someone who uses their front camera a lot maybe and wants a higher quality front camera. The quality of the rear camera on the front. I don't know. Snapchat pros or who are these people? They're out there.
Yeah.
Whoever you are, you're out there. You're a front camera pro and you know it. And you got all the different poses.
Instagrammers for sure. Instagrammers.
People on Instagram.
Yeah.
The Instagrammers. I know them very well. I've encountered them on a few occasions. Well, the other day, yesterday, for example, my dad was heading over to the tree farm because he needed to have a real Christmas tree, you understand? Which is actually the second Christmas tree in his house. He got a fake one and a real one. Oh. Imagine that.
Why?
Forget about the argument. Just get both.
Oh, okay.
Double Christmas.
They're stacked right beside each other?
I don't know what's going on over there. Well, don't make me explain all that. It's a separate. The main piece with this story is he said this is the last day they're open. Obviously, yesterday was the last day to go to the tree farm, and he said it's not going to be busy because it's the last day. And I said, you know what you didn't account for? It's 8 degrees Celsius above zero today, and the sun is out. You see where I'm going here? I'm not talking strictly tree buyers. I'm talking that's a photo shoot type of day. All right, you come up from the city. So I'm about to hit the gram with the holiday post, me in front of the greenery. You see how it goes, Will? You got to account for that in 2019. You got to line up. All the photos are popping. Remember? Hey, man, the sunflowers. I'm not making this stuff up.
Yeah.
You remember the sunflowers?
Yes. Yeah.
I mean, it's well documented. Trampling. As soon as I got there, actually, because I went to the same one, that's where I cut down my own tree as well. Yeah. People don't expect it. And there was a big sign. Please respect the saplings because you guys are all you're trampling next year's trees. Because people, they decide not to follow the path. They're all marching around, kicking things, marching around, 2019.
Stomping on the sapling.
I'm saying take a deep breath. Yeah. The way Kirk looked at the breakfast burger, that's the way you need to be out there. You understand? Yeah. So anyway, but for those pros that want to head to the tree farm, not for a tree, but for the Instagram shot, this is probably the one. You flip this around, you get the triple lens. One of them's wide, one of them's portrait.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden you hold it out, you get the whole scene in there, couple of likes, call it a day. This could be the phone for you. There's no name yet for it, strictly a patent. I'm surprised they can patent this because it's kind of been done, but I guess there's their own specific implementation they're attempting to patent for the time being. We may or may not see this phone emerge. We have a few versions of this as it stands right now, so we'll see how that goes.